Oh, the kids' bedroom. There actually isn't that much space in here.
Tight.
Bed's up against the built-in robe. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to do something with space. Maybe make a little play area. What about an under the sea theme?
I know, I love that because I got some colours that'll make that theme really come to life, and I reckon I've got an idea the kids are going to love.
Love it.
Okay, so Ames, we've cleared out what we needed. What's next?
Well, I've made this mood board. I'm thinking sea blue to match the under the sea theme.
Yep.
Paint some waves.
Oh, I love that.
Bunk bed over there, and then dress the bunk bed with some sharks and then some different colour browns to really complement that one.
Oh, the kids are going to love that.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a split wall, which means we're having blue at the bottom and white at the top of the wall. To give us a join, I'm just quickly ruling a line all the way around the walls. We'll have a wave pattern later, but I need to know where to stop my white colour. So Ames, we've finished our second coat of the white up above, and now we're on to the detail.
Yeah, fast. It's starting to look good. So we're doing waves to really match the under the sea theme. Me and the kids, we've made this beautiful stencil of waves. We're going to put it on there for a rough outline. Then we're going to get in there with the paintbrush to make it perfect.
So to do these waves, you not only need a steady hand, but you need a couple of fantastic quality paintbrushes. For the big part of the wave, I'm using a 50mm Monarch Advanced oval cutter for beautiful precision and help me get that shape. And then for the tip of the wave, where it's ultra small, I've got a little 12mm bevel liner. And it just gives me the ability to make the tip of the wave really easily without going outside our lines.
Fast, this blue portage is looking an absolute treat.
It's Taubman's Blue Portage, James. Blue Portage.
Oh, pottage, potato, patata. Yeah, it's a colour that isn't too bright and in your face. The kids can actually really grow with it. Fast, I'm getting stuck into the bunk bed. How are the fish going?
Oh, they're going good. Thank God I got this fantastic little detail brush. I think the kids are going to really love these.
All right, styling for the under the sea theme bedroom finished. Got this beautiful number from the furniture trader. This beautiful timber really goes in with the rest of the room. Over here, I love this bit because it just personalised it for the kids. We've just painted these with the leftover sample pots. Noah Marlin, seize the day, great quote. And then finally, the beautiful bunk beds. I'm pretty stoked with how these turned out.
Ames, this is amazing. I've got friends that want to be in here. This looks sensational.
There's no room for that one.
Oh.
There's no room for that one.
Okay.